Well, as I pranked you and your voltage regulator went out on your bike. Last night I noticed the little battery symbol there lit up. And I was like, come on, man. And then the gauge was sitting at 11. And it was bouncing from 11 to 14. Kind of just slowly just bouncing back and like slowly moving around. So I made it home and we did a little test, and we'll do a test right meow. So right now, bike is off, thing is on, keys on. We're at 12.5. Now when I start the bike, it should go up to 13, 14 and just kind of hold there. So let's do that. There. 12.5. Don't want to get it too hot. So yeah, something's not right. So we are going to change the voltage regulator, and I got a new one. $265 later. This is the problem. If not, oh wow. Okay, on this side it has 3 plugs, 2 plugs. So I checked the gauge. The gauge up there is good, everything's wired tight. I checked the plug wires on the back of here, everything was good, everything was tight. And I checked all the fuses, everything is good. So I'm gonna go ahead and change this bad boy, and hopefully we can rock and roll. Come on, man. So I think there's a bolt here, and 2 on the bottom. And I think that slides up and out. I don't know. I'll get into it. We got the tool out underneath. So I mean, I still got all the oil lines hooked up. So I'm gonna try to just move it around so I can get a socket in there, I guess. So with the oil lines on there, I don't want to take those off. They got the factory clamps and stuff, so I got it stretched back out of the way, and I stuck something in there. So I'm just gonna try to get these bolts loose, and hopefully they thread out pretty easy. All right, it brought me all the way out. Oh yeah, they got some blue Loctite in there. All right, after a lot of, cussing, it is out. The left side's harder, easier side. The right side's a lot better. Driver's side's easier. Okay. Old and the new. They feel about the same. Maybe the newer one seems a little better. It's already got some lithium grease in there. 2 plugs, 3 plugs. All right, let's put her back together. Since they thread back in really nice, we'll put some on. All right, let's do this. All right, new one's in, plugged in, screwed back down. Goes back together a lot easier. Just gonna manhandle stuff, you know what I'm saying? Come on, man. All right, here we go, right? Now, when I start the bike, it should go up to 13 and almost 14. Come on, I need you to be fixed. I'm praying. Come on, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Come on, man. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. It's time to ride. Right at 14.